Our project with Scale AI was focused on predictive maintenance for heavy-duty assets such as trucks or buses. And what the project really focused on was taking a product that we had developed for a single area of trucks and expanding the coverage it had on the vehicles being monitored. So going from something that was called the after-treatment system, which was the emission control system for diesel engines, and expanding the breadth of things that could be covered on vehicles, expanding it to the full engine, looking at tires and brakes, and moving it through the R&D and working to integrate that into the workflow and productize it to expand the value and bring value to the Canadian supply chain.